Hi Makaylanators! Today we are going to be unboxing a Flip-A-Zoo. And so the Flip-A-Zoo is a little puppy, and like there's like a little surprise animal that's like gonna flip on top of the puppy. And I like puppies. So let's start unboxing it. I'm very excited. I got the Flip-A-Zoo out of his cage because he was choking. And we got like a little party hat for the puppy. And then we got a Flip-A-Zoo bow. We got some stickers. Oh, he's like a collar, I think. Here's some confetti, I think, and then some heart glasses. That's red or pink, right? And then a collar. I don't know what this is though, so just gonna put that in. Yeah, that's all that's in the box. So I'm gonna flip the puppy over to see what the surprise animal is. It's like a little dragon. You guys see? Like you see his wings, and he has like sprinkles all over him. He has even more sprinkles all over him. Yeah, he's just so cute. I could keep this guy forever. Now time for his glasses. Time for him to look like a special jacket. Special. I will put his collar on first. So I'm just gonna put this in the little hole. Got it. I'm putting it in the middle. Time to do it. His neck is too fat. Okay, got it. So we got it, and he's all, yeah. Glasses, and I'm gonna put a sticker on him. Guys, which one should I put on? Should I put on the mustache? I think they're both mustaches, but should I put on the black one or the brown one? I think I'm gonna put on the brown one first. Oop, I hurt it. Oops. Okay guys, I'll just get another sticker. I'll get the black one. I really wanted the brown one though. I'll put that right here. And now I'm gonna name him Mr. Party Pants. Because he's having a party. And then his buddies gonna be right beside him. He has 3 more buddies. So they're gonna be right beside. So I'm just gonna put that one right here so he can stand up. I'm gonna put this one right here on him. I'm gonna stack them up like they're like riding each other's back. Like a bigger guy, right? Fakey. Then he's going to be standing on him. And then she's going to be standing on him. They're falling over, guys. I think one more can make it. I don't know for sure though. I can't get this one off. I can't get this one off though, guys. Well, 3 made it. Comment down below if they're cute. Okay, time to put his glasses on. I was about to say her glasses, but he's not a her no more. He's a he. And then the party hat. And then the water. Oh my god. All my drink fell over. And now I don't have a drink. So now I'm gonna eat all y'all. You ready? Okay. Bye. I wanna eat y'all. Okay. Because you're so precious and I don't want to. Okay, so get off of me. I fell. Okay. Party hat time. And then confetti falling from the ceiling. Guys, I hope you liked my video. Please subscribe to my channel. And you guys should also do this too. Bye. See you next time.